Have you ever wondered why yawning is so contagious? It's a common phenomenon, but the science behind it is fascinating. One leading theory suggests it's linked to empathy. When we see someone yawn, our brains might mirror that action, especially if we feel a connection to them. Another idea is that contagious yawning helps regulate brain temperature. A yawn brings in a rush of cool air, which can cool down an overheated brain. So it might be a social cue. It's not just humans either. Some animals, like chimpanzees, also experience contagious yawning. This suggests a deep evolutionary root for this peculiar behavior. It's a fascinating aspect of our biology. So next time you catch a yawn, remember, it might be your brain's way of connecting or cooling down.